My name is Stephen Milton, and this is my Enhancement 4 presentation. First off, I'll show that the products folder will actually pull up the product management screen. On the product management screen, you'll notice that I have my nav bar, and then I'll have my adding a new category, adding a new product. First off, we'll go with the new category. So we click on the new category, it's got the add category, it's got the input box for the category name. If I do nothing and just hit enter, it comes back with an error telling me that I have to provide the category name. So I'll go there and I'll put in a rope. Okay. We'll add the category. Takes me back to here, and now you'll notice that I have rope up here, so it did add it to the database. The next thing we'll do is we'll go and add, and it did bring me back to the product management screen. Next thing we'll do is we'll go and add a new product. Okay, here you'll notice that I have the category drop down like it's supposed to. So we'll go through there, and the same deal here. If I click on add product, it comes back and says I fill in all the fields. So if I actually just filled in one field, let's put in this, and then come down here and then click on add product. Same thing, it goes back and says you got to fill them all in. So let's go and fill this thing in. Build me a cannon, don't care what it is. Test description. We'll call this image, we'll call this thumbnail. Product price, we'll put in $2,000. That seems reasonable for a cannon. We'll say we have 3 in stock. Shipping size, we'll put in 454. Weight, these things weigh a lot, so I'll put in 1,000 pounds. Location, I'll put West Palm Beach. Vendor, I'll put Milton Industries, and it's made of steel. So I click on add product, and it tells me it successfully added the product. So if we go and look at the database now, and we go click on inventory, we can see that the S100 product has been added with all the information that we put on there. So everything works well there. The other thing, so the insertion and all those things work, and we see that the others work as well. Let's go ahead and validate the different screens. So we'll go and validate this one for the local CSS. It validates correctly. We'll go back to this and we'll validate for the HTML. Okay, validates correctly. Go back to product management. We will go back to index PHP. I'm sorry. Okay, it goes into this, and we'll go to validate this screen. Local CSS validates. And then we'll validate the HTML. E2 validates. We'll go into add category. Validate CSS. It validates. And we'll go to HTML. And it validates. So everything works the way it's supposed to, and the project's going well so far. Thank you.